The United States and the United Kingdom have different systems of government, and, as a result, their constitutions reflect those differences. Here are some key points of comparison between the US and UK constitutions. 1. Written vs. Unwritten constitution. The United States has a written constitution, which is a single document outlining the fundamental principles and framework of government. On the other hand, the United Kingdom has an unwritten constitution that is based on various documents, statutes, court decisions, and conventions. 2. Codified vs. Uncodified constitution. The U.S. Constitution is codified, meaning it is a single, comprehensive document. In contrast, the UK Constitution is uncodified, meaning it is not contained in a single document, but is derived from various sources, including statutes and legal conventions. 3. Separation of powers. The U.S. Constitution establishes a clear separation of powers among the three branches of government: the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. Each branch has distinct powers and responsibilities. In the UK, while there is a separation of powers in theory, it is not as rigidly defined. The executive and legislative branches overlap, as members of the executive, such as the Prime Minister, are also part of the legislature, Parliament. 4. Head of state and head of government. In the U.S., the president serves as both the head of state and the head of government. In the UK, the monarch, currently Queen Elizabeth II, is the symbolic head of state, while the Prime Minister serves as the head of government. 5. Judicial review. The U.S. Constitution explicitly grants the power of judicial review to the courts, allowing them to determine the constitutionality of laws and government actions. In the UK, there is no equivalent power of judicial review. However, the courts can interpret laws and scrutinize government actions for compliance with existing statutes and common law principles. 6. Amendment process. The U.S. Constitution has a formal and elaborate amendment process. To amend the Constitution, a proposal must be approved by a two-thirds majority in both houses of Congress or by a national convention called by two-thirds of state legislatures. The amendment must then be ratified by three-fourths of the states. In the UK, there is no single amendment process for the Constitution. Changes to the Constitution are made through ordinary legislative procedures, and Parliament has the power to pass or amend laws without any special requirements. 7. Bill of Rights. The U.S. Constitution includes a Bill of Rights, which is the first 10 amendments and guarantees certain individual rights and liberties. The UK does not have a codified Bill of Rights. Instead, it relies on various statutes, common law, and European Convention on Human Rights to protect individual rights. It's important to note that this is just a brief overview, and both the US and UK constitutions are complex and have evolved over time. The political and legal systems in both countries are also shaped by factors beyond their constitutions,